Here is something I didn't know about the Passport 3.0 is that when we have the machine on, you'll notice that you will hear the little beeps when you touch the selection of the stitches or to adjust the width or length. But you can actually turn those beeps off. So first thing you do is turn off the machine, and before you turn it on, touch the immediate tie-off button. Okay, this one right here, I'm going to hold it. And when I turn the machine on, it's going to come up with a 1. 1 means that it's actually going to beep. But if I touch the stitch width option and do minus, it turns it to 0. Then touch the tie-off button to set that. What we now see is that as I touch stitches, I'm not hearing the beeps. So if you turn off the machine, it will remember that setting. So if I turn it back on, and here we go, we've got no beeps, but let's say we want to turn that back on. Turn the machine back off, touch the immediate tie-off button and hold it, turn the machine on. It says 0, 0 means no sound. Touch the stitch width buttons to plus. That number 1 indicates we're going to get our beeps back, and then touch the immediate tie-off button to go to sewing. So now, here are those little beeps. So those are nice to know if you want to be a little quieter while you're sewing. You can actually turn off the sound. So I'm going to leave those on, and I'll just push 0, 0. I'm all set for sewing straight.